So we use this RG250 disassembly machine to initiate the machine. At first you turn on the main power and the warmer automatically activate and the temperature reaches the 50, and then you click the heat on button. Regardless of 50 Celsius degrees, when you turn on main button, you just click on heat on button. Then it will fast increase to 80 Celsius degrees, because factory setting is 80 degrees as the target temperature. And then after 80, it will sound one time beep and it will maintain for 5 minutes. So when the heat temperature is under conservation, the timer dot blinks. So at this time, the LCD is under heating by the heating plate. So we adopted a very good heating plate, which has a very narrow temperature tolerance. And it adopted two PCB. One is a power PCB related with inputting a voltage of 110 to 240. And this panel is adopted with a control PCB to control the temperature and time. And now the machine is under heating the LCD. After then, it will pass the 5 minutes, and then the timer will show 2 underbars with 3 times of a beep. And then you cover the fixing frame, and you cover the suction frame, and you can use 1 or 2 suction cups to suck up the surface of the LCD, and then you turn on the knob screw. And you have to take caution when you hear the first sound of the LCD by the sticky tape. You must prepare the methyl alcohol to pour to the side of the phone to reduce stickiness of the tape. And after you hear the response, I recommend you must use the methyl alcohol, especially the tool and tip is needle tip, to effectively pour the methyl alcohol. So for your convenience, we fast wind the movie, and the remaining time is 1 minute, and the timer dot still blinking. So we know that the machine is under heat conservation. So after full heating, timer will show 2 underbars. Then whole heating is finished. Then you turn over the phone and you cover the fixing frame and you loosen the screws, and you set again the fixing bar suitably, and then you cover the suction frame, and then you let the knob screw to fully go inside, and you lift up the grip of a suction cup, and you have to set the position of the 2 suction cups. So please try to position the suction cup to the center toward the surface of the LCD. So at this time, we try to use 2 suction cups to suitably suck up the surface of the LCD, and you carefully turn the knob screw. And now you hear the sound of the sticky tape, and you pour the methyl alcohol to the side of the LCD against the main body. So we recommend to use very good tool whose end tip is needle. So needle and tip will allow the methyl alcohol to effectively pour into the side of the smartphone. So now the methyl alcohol is effectively pouring to the side of the phone. You have to take caution to disassemble. Now the most of the LCD is disassembled, and you may check whether digitizer is connected or any other inside part is connected or not. So you have to take caution.